Windsor Packet Question 6. The wheel shop sells other kinds of vehicles. There are bicycles and go-karts in a different room of the shop. Each bicycle has only one seat and each go-kart has only one seat. There are a total of 21 seats and 54 wheels in that room. How many are bicycles and how many are go-karts? Explain how you found your answer. Okay, so when I'm looking at this, I first noticed that there's a total of 21 seats, that there are 54 wheels in the room, that each bike has one seat, and each go-kart has one seat. That seems like all the important information that I pulled out from the reading, but I noticed something that they didn't tell you in the reading, but is kind of in the image, and they kind of just expect you to know that each bicycle has 2 wheels and that each go-kart has 4 wheels. That's also going to be important. Even though it wasn't in the reading, they have a picture of it, sort of, because you can't see the 4th wheel, but maybe they just thought you knew. So when I'm looking at my information, I see that the bicycles and the go-karts both have one seat. And they said that there's a total of 21 seats. So since they both only have one seat, instead we're pretty much looking for how many vehicles there are. Because the bicycle has one seat, the go-kart has one seat. So if we're looking for if there's 21 seats, that means there's 21 vehicles. I made a table to help us figure out what's gonna go where. If you see here, I got bicycles, go-karts, and the total number of wheels. Now each bike is gonna have 2 wheels, so I put times 2. All right, so if we have one bike, 1 times 2 would be 2 wheels. If we have 2 bikes, 2 times 2 would be 4 wheels, and so on. Go-karts will be times 4 because there's 4 wheels. Now let's just throw a number out there. Let's say there's 10 bikes. Okay, 10 bikes. So if there's 10 bikes, and I know there's a total of 21 seats, 10 bikes, there has to be 11 go-karts. Okay, because 10 plus 11 make 21. I'm just pretending. I just pulled these numbers randomly. Let's pretend that there's 10 bikes. That would mean there has to be 11 go-karts. 10 times 2, because again, remember, there's 2 wheels on every bike. So 2 times 10, that's 20. So there's a total of 20 wheels between the 10 bikes. Go-karts, we said there's 11 of them. 11 times 4, because there's 4 wheels on each of those 11 go-karts, that'd be 44. Okay, so 20 wheels from the bikes, 44 wheels from the go-karts. 20 plus 44 is a total of 64. That's too many wheels. We said there's 54 wheels. This would mean that there's 64 wheels. So here's what I'm thinking. Alright, that combination was too many wheels. Now, since the go-karts have more wheels than the bikes, I think that means we have too many go-karts and not enough bikes. So I say, let's try taking away a go-kart and adding a bike. We know that there's still got to be 21 seats. So let's try, boom. Instead of 11 go-karts and 10 bikes, let's try 11 bikes and 10 go-karts. Aha! So again, 11 bikes, 2 wheels on each. 11 times 2, that's 22. 10 go-karts, 4 wheels on each one. 10 times 4 is 40. Now together, 22 plus 40, that equals 62. Still too many, but look, we're less than what we were before. So that means we're getting closer to our 54. We would have to keep trying until we get to 54. So next I would suggest, how about you try 12 bikes and 9 go-karts, okay? And see how many that would get you. Maybe it's still too many, I don't know. And then you would keep going until you get to 54 wheels. I'm not gonna keep going because I don't wanna just spoil the answer for you, but let's see what you can do from here.